Okay, so just in case you have been absent for the past like 6 months or so and you don't have social media at all, well, I'm going to give you a little bit of recap of, what Reels is and what TikTok is and what all that kind of stuff is. So if you don't know what TikTok is and what a Reel is on Instagram, a TikTok is on TikTok. They are 60-second videos at most, like sometimes 15-second videos of just whatever you want, random stuff, random clips, whatever. And the apps do really well. They both, I know for a fact TikTok pays you. I don't think Instagram pays you for a reel, but it can pay, I guess you could get like a brand deal for that, which still counts as getting paid. So they're short little videos with whatever you want to put inside of them. And YouTube is doing this with their new thing called YouTube Shorts. Now, I don't know if they're supposed to be exactly like a TikTok or like an Instagram Reel, but they are under 58-second videos. I don't know why it's 58 seconds, but whatever. Under 58-second videos, and you can just pretty much scroll on through, pretty much just like a TikTok or an Instagram Reel, and you can look through all the videos and look at all the clips, and you can subscribe to people, you can like, you can comment, they can get watch time, and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's a little bit of a gist of what today's video is about. Let's get right into today's video. Here we go. Well, that was kind of cool, like. I like this angle, it's cool, like, whoa. Alright, whatever. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton C. Merrill. I am I'm Colton. Hi, what's up? My name's Colton. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, what's going on? So in today's video, if you guys weren't watching the first minute or so of the video, well, it's going to be about what YouTube Shorts are, what to think about and what to do, how to make your own, all this kind of stuff. So if you come to this channel, well, you should be ready to learn, ready to have some fun. Here we go. Let's get right into it. So YouTube, oh my goodness, ow, what the heck? That was the weirdest pain I ever felt. Ow, that was weird. Alright, so that really hurt. Okay, so what is a YouTube Short? If you already didn't know, I already told you what a YouTube Short is, but it's pretty much, at least what I think and what my dad thinks and what a few other people think, is that a YouTube Short is pretty much YouTube's way of making a Reel or a TikTok or something like that, and just like a more interactive way to scroll through YouTube, because YouTube is competing with TikTok and Instagram and all this kind of stuff, because, well, yeah, they're competing with each other. Okay, so how do you post a YouTube Short? So it's pretty much, look at this, look at how much shorter I get when I sit up and when I sit, okay, whatever. So how do you post a YouTube Short? So it's pretty much the exact same way you post a video. It just has to be less than 58 seconds long. Remember this, less than 58 seconds long. It's just gonna be like right here, just like a little box. Less than 58 seconds long. As long as it's under 58 seconds, it will go into that Shorts category, and then give it about a few, like I'd say 3 to 5 business days. I'm joking, 3 to 5 days to get into the algorithm, to start incrementing a bunch of views. I've seen shorts like, I don't even know. I've seen random shorts where people will post them and they will get like 5, 10 views. Maybe their subscribers will watch it, somebody will find it, whatever. And then after a while, they'll start popping up and people will be scrolling through YouTube Shorts and they'll be like, oh, what is this? And they'll watch it, subscribe, and then scroll through. Now, the cool thing, it kind of sucks, but it's kind of cool, where the watch time from the shorts, since it's only like going to be like a minute each, it does not count towards monetization. It also can't get you monetization, like money. Like, it can't get you any money. At least that's what I have been told. I really personally don't know. I haven't posted one. I just know the facts about it. So that kind of does bum it a little bit. It is a bummer, but it is still a super duper cool way to get growth and get an audience, because to make a 1-minute video, that's 1 minute. You don't even have to edit it. You could just be like, hey, what's up? This is my channel, and I talk about gaming, I talk about sports, I talk about all this kind of stuff. I like to, surf, I like to, I don't know, mountain bike, and then post it. Boom, done. There's one. You just wait a few days, get a few subscribers, and then you keep growing and growing and growing, and then you have like 500 subscribers, and then you actually get some real watch time, because they know you and they're connected with you and they want to grow with you, instead of just some random people that show up for one video and then disappear. Because I would much rather have 500 people or 100 people that want to watch every single one of my videos over 10,000 people to just watch one video. because it'll get you more watch time over time, and it'll help you build a humongous audience, which is my goal, and that's what I'm trying to do. Now, what is a short? I pretty much already explained it. It's a short video on YouTube where you can subscribe to someone, you can like it, you can comment, you can watch it, you can do whatever, you can interact with that person. It's pretty cool. I would think that whoever came up with this idea at YouTube, like, hey, let's call it YouTube Shorts. Like, whoever came up with this idea is super duper smart, super intuitive. That's a good thing, right? Super smart, super creative. It's a better word, I think. I guess. I don't know what intuitive even means, to be honest. Super creative, and they are super duper smart. I think that this is a great idea, and it can definitely help your channel grow. If you want to help your channel grow in 2020 or 2021, because it's pretty much over, to be honest, you're definitely going to want to start posting some shorts. I will be posting a few shorts, hopefully soon. Hopefully, because I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Hopefully I'll be able to post shorts on the off days. We'll have to figure it out, to be honest, but yeah, hope you guys found this video enjoyable, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out, guys. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios, homies. You did it.